Okay. All right. Just a fast thing for those who still don't know how to read the speedometer. Okay, just a fast explanation. Okay, this is the intervals that you normally swim at. All right. So it's a 120, 130, 140, 150, and the 2 minutes interval. All right. This is the distance: 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, and the 500 meters. Now those things. Now a lot of you have a question how to calculate it, all right, and how to memorize it. Okay, I'll just explain really fast way. First, the easiest one, which one is to count, is a 2 minutes. Second one comes as a 130. So let's go with this first two. Okay, this one is going to be a 50 meters, 100 meters, 200, 300, 400, and the 500 meters. All right. I want you to try this at home on your own. Okay, 50 meters. Okay, 100. First of all, we will go with all the hundreds. Now the 100 is a 2 minutes. That's your speedometer for the 100. Over here, 150, 140, 130, and the 120. For you to understand, right? Now, if this is 100, 50 is going to be exactly a half of this. Which one is going to be a 1 minute? Or other words is a 60. Okay, that's what normally we say. Alright, 200 is going to be a 4 minutes. 300 is going to be a 6 minutes. Then 8 minutes over here, and the 10 minutes for the 500 meters. Now we know what is 2 minutes over here. It's pretty much easy. Let's go to 130. Alright, so if the 130 is for the 100, 50 is going to be exactly a half of this. Which one is? 45. Over here 200 is a 3 minutes. Over here 4:30. Over here 6 minutes. Alright, and over here we go as a 7:30. Now we know what is 130, we know what is 2 minutes. Now how to calculate 140, 150 or the 120? Alright, so what we do is, okay, we first figure out what is the difference in between these two intervals. This is going to be a 10 seconds is different. So from the time which one you are getting it over here, alright, it have to be a minus 10 seconds for the 100. Okay, so if this is a this is a 2 minutes, alright, for the 100, this is going to be a 150. Difference is 10 seconds. So that means you minus 10 seconds, so you get the 150. Alright, so over here this is for the 100 10 seconds. For the 200 is going to be 2 times 10, so it's a 20 seconds minus 20. So 4 minutes minus 20 is 340. Right, then the 6 minutes minus 30 seconds, so it becomes 5:30. 8 minutes minus 40, so that becomes a 7:20, and the 10 minutes minus 50. Why 50? Because it's a 500 meters, 5 hundreds. Each 100, 10 seconds, so that means 50 seconds. So it becomes a 9 minutes and 10. Okay, now you will try to do the same thing with the 150 and the 140. I would say don't do that. Alright, try to go with this. Okay, so the 130 interval you have it, and the 140. This is plus 10 seconds. Plus 10, that means over here, if the 130 and the 140, there is a 10 seconds difference, right? Plus 10. Over here, plus 20, plus 30, plus 40, plus 50. 50, 40, 30 over here, because a 200s, 300s, 4, and the 5. So over here, 3 minutes plus 20 is 3:20. 4:30 plus 30 is 5 minutes. 6 minutes plus 40 is 6:40. Over here you get 8:20. Now this is a basic structure. Now you know what is this, you know what is this over here, just a plus and minus it. Now this thing have to be done in a 1.5 minutes. Everything whatever you see over here, you have to write it down in a 1.5 minutes. 120 and a 130, this is minus 10 seconds from this time. So it's minus 10 Okay, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, and minus 50. So the 3 minutes, now you see this, right? 120 and a 130 for 100 meters. So the 200 means the 20 seconds. So 3 minutes minus 20 is 240. Alright, 430 minus 30 is 4 minutes. 6 minutes minus 40 is 520. And 730 minus 50 is 640.